What is good, you guys? Shiwan, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. My name is Lanie, and if it is your first time today seeing this face, then please do join the family. Hit the subscribe button and also do click the notification bell so that you do get notified whenever I drop a new video. Today I'm coming back with a new hairstyle tutorial, and today I'm having a bun with twist outs or bangs, whatever you want to call it, but it's a bun with bangs. So yeah, if you want to see how I got to achieve this hairstyle, then please do stay tuned. So guys, to begin with this hairstyle, we're gonna need some water in that spray bottle, and then I'm also gonna be using the Jell's Curler Defining Curl Custard to define my curls, but you can use any product of your choice as long as your curls are going to be defined at the end. So I'm just parting the front section of my hair. That's where my bangs are going to be, and then I'm applying the Jell's Curler Defining Curl Custard, and then I'm going to section. I'm going to have like 4 sections, and I'm going to do twists in each section. So yeah, I just hope I'm making sense, and you just keep on watching. If you don't understand, you can just rewind and watch all over again. So now we're working on the bun, and I'm applying the defining curl custard again, and I also did apply castor oil before I started with the hairstyle. I just didn't show that part. And then I'm gonna take a stocking thingy, just any strap that you can find. You can also use a shoelace, but I can't use a shoelace. I feel like it's just gonna woo. I feel like it's just gonna give me a headache. So I use a stocking thingy. I don't know what you call it, guys, but you see what I mean. So yeah. So this is the amount of shading that I got from this hairstyle. So, and I also went on and applied the black crease gel, but my camera stopped recording, so I just applied it and did my edges, and then I gave myself 20 minutes for this hair to dry, and I took some so yeah, after that, then I removed my silk scarf, and this is the hair. And then now we are going to work on the front part. So there's nothing much to this hairstyle. I just twist out those twists that I had, and I just styled it, and we are literally done with this hairstyle, guys. So just continue watching and see the final result. Do you see that curl pattern? Do you see the curls popping? Look at the curl. Guys, I was so impressed. I don't know, but I'm always so impressed with my hair every time I try out a new hairstyle. Look at this. This is like your go-to hairstyle when you're in a hurry and you just want something quick and cute. This is the hairstyle to go for. Now, to make sure that my edges stay in place all day, I use a mousse, and I got this hack from Nail or Chanel. Her channel is called Life of Nail. So yeah, that's where I got this hack. And I tell you, my edges, even now as I'm doing this voiceover, my edges are still on. They're going nowhere. Just apply mousse everywhere where you applied gel, and your edges will be in place all day long. I'm telling you. So guys, if you did enjoy this video, please do not forget to give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.